Sunday, partly sunny. A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the morning, then showers and thunderstorms likely in the afternoon. Highs in the lower 80s. Chance of rain 60%. Sunday night, mostly cloudy with a 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the mid-60s. Monday, partly sunny. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the morning, then a chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the mid-80s. Chance of rain 30%. Monday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-60s. Tuesday, mostly sunny. A 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the mid-80s. The hazardous weather outlook through tonight for North Texas. Scattered thunderstorms will linger into the early evening hours. Severe weather is unlikely. Spotter activation is not expected at this time. And now the hazardous weather outlook for Wednesday through Monday. Low storm chances will continue on Wednesday and Thursday with more widespread activity during the upcoming weekend. Heavy rainfall may result in flooding issues, particularly Friday through Sunday. The ultraviolet index forecast for May 31st is 10, very high. The current time is 10:17 p.m. Central Daylight Time. You are listening to NOAA All Hazards Radio, the voice of the National Weather Service, station WXK-22, serving the Sherman-Denison listening area. The following reports of weather temperature and wind were made at 10 p.m. Sherman-Denison, clear, 75, dew point 67, relative humidity 77%, wind southeast at 6, pressure 29.91 inches and rising. Gainesville, clear, 70, calm. McKinney, clear, 74, east at 5. Bonham, fog, 72, calm. Durant, clear, 73, south at 5. Ardmore, clear, 73, southeast at 5. Elsewhere around the region, DFW Airport, partly cloudy, 75, calm. Paris, partly cloudy, 75, east at 3. Wichita Falls, clear, 74, southeast at 12. Oklahoma City, partly cloudy, 72, south at 8. Now let's check on your local forecast for Sherman, Denison, and surrounding locations tonight, mostly clear. A 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms this evening. Lows in the mid